What's up, YouTube? Big Dog Dave here. You got that nice little halo shadow thing like right there. It's on every video. It's some glare from that fucking light right there. And it just fucks everything up. Anyways, with that beard. You like that, right? No busting balls today. Today, we're going to open this UFO helicopter, which probably has to charge first before it flies. So I guess I'm going to have to come back and do another extension to this video. I was going to try to sell this thing. It's like 15 bucks or something like that. Oh, Jesus Christ. But I figured, fuck it. I paid like $3 for it, if that. So I'm going to open it and try to see how this thing works. Because God knows it's bound to break on like the first time I try. But supposedly it doesn't. Because it doesn't like... If it gets too close to the ground, it'll still fly back up. There's some sensor in the bottom of it. So, here's Black Panther that flies. Fucking Christ. How the fuck... Oh. See, I hate this shit. They use this, like... They used to make it easy to get this shit off, and now... There we go. See, it looks cheap and it looks like it's already falling apart, but I guess once this starts spinning, it comes back to life, and then it's supposed to like bounce up and down. Like, it senses your hand and flies back up. I have no idea. He doesn't even fucking stand up. Alright. So far, should have kept the box sealed. Like, there's a whole lot of nothing here. I wonder if that fell off or if that's just an extra piece. I think that's just an extra... An extra flap in case one of these break or fall off or something like that. There's more flaps. There's another extra flap. There's the charger. I guess plugs into his foot. If it does, it's broken. Into his pee hole? There's literally a pee hole down there. Like, I don't know how this fucking thing works. Nothing's lighting up. So far, this is just a fail. It was made on 8/15/20. It might need a battery, which is gonna really suck because like I just don't have one. Okay. So Jesus Christ. I was not expecting that. So, Jesus Christ, this thing has like zero control. Alright. Alright. So, I figured this out. So the charging port's on the back. That little hole right there, and that's the on-off switch. So if we turn them off, nothing happens. This turns this on and off. So if we switch that on, He's got a sensor in his pee hole. Somehow turns on. It's actually a really nice fan. But if I click this, it'll turn it off. And then I'll turn it on. Ah! Ah! It's surprisingly interesting. I just have no idea what I'm doing. So when it gets close to something, it powers up a little bit. Oh! I wish I had a camera to show you that. That just flew around. It's actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty interesting. It doesn't hurt that bad when it hits you. It hasn't broken yet, and I'm surprised. Like, it should have shattered against the wall by now. But it's definitely an interesting piece, but he doesn't stand up. It's probably because he's very top heavy with the wings and stuff like that. So I don't know where he's supposed to stand, or if he does stand, or. And then to charge him, which I think it says it takes probably about. You probably got 15-minute fly time, and it's probably about an hour to charge. It stops operating during flight. It's a weak battery. Solution: charge the battery. Holy fucking shit. Turn off bright lights. It's interesting. I have zero control over this thing. It doesn't say how long it's supposed to charge. Oh, well. I guess we'll figure that out as it goes on. But I thought I saw they were selling these on like Home Shopping Network, and I think it said it takes like an hour. Oh, there we go. Charging time 30 to 60 minutes. Alright, so it's surprisingly pretty interesting. I think I'm going to have fun with this once I figure out how to get it to work. Like, it doesn't just stay, so. Like, it doesn't just hover, so it doesn't just bounce up and down right here, which I wish it would. It's a nice little toy for fun. If I could get it to that was surprisingly the best flight we probably had. Alright. So I'm gonna turn him off for now and end this video, but surprisingly, I think I'm gonna have some kind of fun with this. I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't gonna open it, and I decided to after watching people play with it online. It holds up pretty well. I mean, it's bashed into this solid metal. Oh, that's not gonna work. I mean, it's metal. So it flew into that a few times. It flew into the computer screen. It flew into the wall. Flew into a lot of different things it probably wasn't supposed to, and it still holds up. So as you can see, he still goes on. So pretty impressed. And now he's dead. But he could be fun. If I can master it, it'll definitely be a relaxing little toy to watch fly around. So I give it a thumb and a half up. Not 2 thumbs, but a thumb and a half. Because if it had better control and could just sit here and like hover like right here, then, you know, if I could control him better and get him to like hover just like right here, and then when I want him to fly higher, you know, control him somehow like a drone. But it is what it is. For a cheap little toy, I like it. So, 1.5 thumbs. Later.